Hello friends, in this video I show you how to apply PVC Aadhaar card. Okay, let's see, I show you. First friends, you open Chrome browser and writing here myaadhaar.uidai.gov.in. And you see here first site, just simply click here and this interface open ready. Click here login. And here friends, you writing your Aadhaar card number. Aadhaar card number I writing ready, and downside have captcha. Writing here captcha. If you no understand captcha, you click here and you can change also captcha. Captcha I writing ready. Click here send OTP. Which number have registered with your Aadhaar card? That number you receive one OTP. That OTP you writing here. And click here login. And you see here option order Aadhaar PVC card. Just simply click here and click to next. When you order PVC card friends, you need pay 250 rupees. Click here. Click to make payment. So here have all option: credit card, net banking, wallet and UPI. I use UPI, so I click here UPI and click here again pay by UPI ID. And here friends writing UPI ID. I writing ready my UPI ID. Click here verify. And click to proceed. And now I open my UPI ID and click to approve this payment. So payment is successful ready. Now I again open my Aadhaar website. And you see here transaction status success. So my payment done ready. Now I want to download a receipt. So simply click here. Then click here. Then click here open in download. So you see here receipt. So friends, within 5 to 10 days you received your PVC Aadhaar card. So it's very simple or easy. You can apply PVC Aadhaar card. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.